Good Friday, everyone. I hope your week has gone well, and if it hasn't, well, it's almost over and the weekend's almost here. Looking at our daily weather map for today, we see high pressure remains in control of our area, but it is sliding off to the east. That will bring in some southerly breezes from the Gulf of Mexico, which will set the stage for our next storm system to be coming out of the plains. And if you'll see that storm system there in the southern plains today, lots of severe weather expected in that neck of the woods by this evening. Dallas, Fort Worth kind of bullseyed in that. Tornadoes, large hail, damaging winds, the whole 9 yards expected for those folks. That's going to be a very active weather day for them. Behind that system, cold air spills in, changes the rain to snow for portions of Colorado and even northern New Mexico. And then our next new storm system is bringing much more snow to the mountains of the Pacific Northwest. Some of those mountains will be picking up feet of snow over the weekend. Checking out our 5-day outlook, we're not picking up significant precipitation of any kind over our next 5 days. Today we're looking at mostly sunny skies, highs around 70. It will become breezy as we go through the day, becoming downright windy overnight, wind gusts to 20 miles an hour or more possible. Those winds continue on Saturday, gusting to 25 to 30, and then we have a 50% chance for showers. Not all of us will see them, but hopefully we'll all at least get a little bit. Those showers linger into Saturday night. Total rainfall accumulation from that, 1/4 inch or less, and then on Sunday, just a 20% chance for a shower. Highs around 70 once again. And if you think today, tomorrow, and Saturday's mild, look at Monday and Tuesday. We can jump up into the mid 70s. Folks around Nashville expecting to be in the 80s. Can you believe it? And then look at those overnight lows, nowhere near frost and freezing temperatures. But there are indications that that will change by the end of next week. Looking at our total 5-day rainfall forecast, look at that. Lots of rain for Arkansas and Louisiana, but as it moves eastward, it just kind of fizzles out. The good news is, though, is that even as we lose our rainfall chances, we also lose those severe storm chances, and we always have to be mindful of that in November. That's our secondary peak of severe weather season. But pretty good rainfall for Memphis and tapers off to a decent chance for Nashville, and then by the time it gets to East Tennessee, they may not even get anything. So really tapering off as it comes across the state. On this day in 1927, there was no problem getting rain in Vermont. 15 inches of rain led to the worst flood disaster in the history of that state. 200 lives lost, $40 million in damage, and that's in 1927. So lots of bad situations going on for that in that situation. So in 1845, the first nationally observed uniform election day in the United States, the first Tuesday after the first Monday in November. Well, folks, I have lots more weather information in the blog, including more information on that severe weather event that'll be unfolding for the Southern Plains this evening. I'll definitely be checking that out, even though it's not a threat to us. It's always interesting to see exactly how these events unfold. We always learn something from those, that's for sure. But if you want even more weather information, you just keep reading along in that blog, meteorologistsmart.com.